Good morning, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku, and I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle. So two puzzles remain: the killer Sudoku and the medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday morning, July the 12th, 2023. And in this newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of those puzzles I will do in the evening. And what's the news of the day? Well, it's day number 504. Yeah, war day number 504. More than 500 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. Yes. Okay, let me continue. Oh, medium Sudoku. A number, this will be number 6, 7, 4, 0. And before I start, I always count the 20 digits. Well, this one has a lot, 29. Should be an easy medium Sudoku, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, the 1 star Sudoku in additional has 27, usually 27 printed digits, so it should be easier than a 1 star puzzle. But for a 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14, 30 minutes, who knows. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number? The number. Here we have 6. Come on. 6. The 9. 7. 6 here also. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Oh, alright. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the row below, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. All right. Then. How about? Yeah. Can I do something? Well. 4 missing numbers. Wait. No. Yeah. Let me start with the 5 then. Okay, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Alright. I need a 5 here. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. Here, 5 in the last column, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so in the first row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. And now I cannot continue with 5. How about the 6 then? 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see another 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the first column should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, oh, wait. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is the 6 in the last row. We have a 6 in this column, third column, so no 6 in this box. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here another 6 in the column next, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle, the second column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for 8 in this big square should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. I need 8 here. Need 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. There, an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this first row should be there. Alright, how about the 9? 9 in this row. Oh, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now, 1. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. The 9 in the third column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 it goes there. Alright. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, only 3 places left for 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in that column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Alright, so we have 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Find out 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. Told you need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. And we solve it again. Medium Sudoku, well, no, I don't think so. It's an easy one, Sudoku with 0 stars, I believe. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with this third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.